curious about timeless money wisdom that transcends religious boundaries? While the Christian religion might not be universal, the money lessons we can find in the Bible certainly are. Today, we're diving into 6 money secrets from the Bible that everyone can benefit from, regardless of their faith. Let's uncover these ancient insights together. In most spiritual traditions, money is often seen under a negative light. Remember the saying, "It is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for a rich person to enter the kingdom of God." But what if I told you that the Bible actually contains profound insights into wealth and business? The Bible, one of the oldest books in history, offers profound lessons on life, ethics, and yes, money. These insights have stood the test of time and remain relevant in today's fast-paced world. Interestingly, the Jewish religion also emphasizes the importance of money management. The wealth of Jewish people is far from being a product of luck or historical circumstances. It is deeply rooted in principles and teachings that have been passed down through generations. So let's delve into these ancient texts and see what financial wisdom we can extract. First, let's discuss avoiding debt. Proverbs 22:7 warns, "The rich rules over the poor, and the borrower is the slave of the lender." This powerful imagery reminds us of the dangers of debt. While borrowing might seem like a quick fix, it can lead to long-term financial bondage. Living within our means and avoiding unnecessary debt can lead to greater financial freedom. Next, let's talk about the power of diversification. Ecclesiastes 11:2 advises, "Invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. You do not know what disaster may come upon the land." This suggests spreading out investments to mitigate risk, a principle that aligns with modern financial advice on diversification. Now, consider the importance of wisdom. Proverbs 24:3 says, "By wisdom a house is built, and through understanding it is established. Through knowledge its rooms are filled with rare and beautiful treasures." This highlights the value of wisdom and understanding in building and maintaining wealth. It's not just about hard work, but also about making informed decisions. Another key lesson is the principle of fairness in business. Leviticus 19:13 states, "Do not defraud or rob your neighbor. Do not hold back the wages of a hired worker overnight." This emphasizes the importance of ethical business practices and treating others fairly, which can lead to long-term trust and success in business. The role of integrity is equally crucial. Proverbs 11:3 says, "The integrity of the upright guides them, but the unfaithful are destroyed by their duplicity." Integrity in our financial dealings builds a solid foundation for lasting success and reputation. Finally, let's discuss the principle of stewardship. The Bible teaches that we are merely stewards of our wealth, not owners. In Luke 16:11 it says, "If then you have not been faithful in the unrighteous wealth, who will entrust to you the true riches?" This implies that we should manage our money wisely, as if we are taking care of someone else's wealth. Imagine how differently we might handle our finances with this mindset. So there you have it, 6 unconventional money lessons from the Bible. By avoiding debt and applying the power of diversification, the importance of wisdom, fairness in business, integrity, and stewardship, we can all achieve greater financial well-being. These principles are as relevant today as they were thousands of years ago. So what do you think of these money secrets from the Bible? Have you applied any of these principles in your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing wisdom. See you next time.